All right, so I just got these, and they're 60 watts. They're LEDs. They have switches on them. It's a pack of 6, 15,000 hours. They're dimmable, and you can change them from a very warm to a yellow to a white to a very cool color. Let me flip it over here so you can see the bottom of it. So here it is. It gives you a little idea of what it's like. And we're going to try it out and see what we think. You can get it like blue, you can get it just bright white, and you can get it nice warm colors. So it kind of tells you like your bedroom lamps, your kitchen workspaces, and reading, you know, if you want that blue light. All right, so we need to open them up and see what we think. So all we got to do is pop it open. And basically there's 6 of them in here. Get this open. All right, this is how they work. It's got this little thing on the side, and you just change the temperature by moving it. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess there's 4 different settings. Or is there 5? 1, 2, there's 5 settings. So you can read them right there. That's the different settings. 2,700, whatever that number is. That's what it's. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Oh, there you go. Now you can see what it is. So it goes from 2,700 up to, looks like 6,500. All right, so we're going to try it out and see what we think. So I'm just going to take this old bulb out of here. It's not old. I mean, it's an LED bulb, but it's probably, could be 10 years old. I don't know. We had a bunch of them in the back. Let's set that over here. Let's get the new bulb, right? Let's get up in there. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself. Put it in there and twist it. How you like it? Twistity, 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 twistilations. Is it going in? I don't know. Oh, you know what? Oh, I think it's in. I think we're good. Now we just gotta, what's going on here? Look at it, it's moving around. Let's turn it on. Oh, there we go. Right now we can change it by flipping that switch, watch. So now there's a nice blue light, right? That's cool. A little bit more warmer, a little warmer, really warm, super warm. Now it's like yellow. Let's go back. And then up. And that's how it works. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.